So it looks like the Cybertruck has its first update for me at least. So you can see install 2024.8.4, release notes, minor fixes. So I don't know what it's fixing, but it says it contains minor fixes and improvements. Previous updates you can see one-time charge limit, they added that so you can set a higher max charge limit for a single time charge. Vehicle alarm includes trailer. So if your trailer gets unplugged, then it can set off the alarm. Rear passenger headphones, so passengers in the back seat can listen on wireless Bluetooth headphones when watching shows or playing games on the rear touchscreen. And the rest of the vehicle can continue to listen to other audio from the front. I was trying to figure out how to do that, but I guess I'll figure it out now. It says to pair your headphones at the app launcher rear display settings. Oh, so you have to do it on the rear display. Okay. Add new device, listen, turn on headphones up to 2. So open an app in the theater or arcade on the rear screen and hit play. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair some Bluetooth speakers. That way I can have both audio streams going and I can actually hear both at the same time. But I can see where if you want the sound to be separate, you can do that. But I kind of want to be able to hear what's being watched in the back while the music, especially since if kids use it, you don't want them watching stuff you don't want them to watch, right? Alright, anyways, here you go. You can view or reset tire mileage. So the tire mileage will actually have its own thing, I guess. So when they get rotated, replaced, or swapped, you can reset that. Right, then there's the auto wipers. It says they have the auto setting, which I didn't see on my car, so this update must have given me all these new updates. So I guess that's why I didn't have the Bluetooth headphones and stuff earlier. Okay, so you can turn on autopilot and it will automatically set the wipers to auto, but there's no autopilot, right? Oh, somebody just messaged. Alright, this update includes important security fixes, supercharging in cold weather. So if you're charging in colder conditions, right, it will prepare the battery earlier, I guess. Alright, clear ice away. Alright, reminder to plug in at home. So they'll give you a reminder on your phone to plug it in when you have less than half of your charge limit. And you do have to set a home location. Right, now the navigation has the symbols, which I'm pretty sure I saw those before, so that's not new. Other security improvements, Apple Podcasts. Alright, improved ride and handling. More consistent response on different road surfaces, greater comfort. More efficient charging. Okay. Castle Doom game, Doom Bad game. I played that on the Model Y. Arcade updates. What else? Custom lock sounds, I already had that. Automatic 911, I already had that. Trip planner, alternative routes while driving, already had that. More cameras, automatic blind spot. So this is all old stuff, right? Minor updates. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to tell it to run the update. And it'll take about 30 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so it's going to start. See you guys when it's done. Alright, here you can see we're on software version 12.0. 2024.8.4, navigation data, North America, NA 2023.44-14828, and then all those letters. Alright, so anyways, they had this little blue thing here to tell you there's something new. You can see when we go to service, now they show this recommended tire pressure here, and here they show tire service mileage, so approximate 1,000 miles ago, and you can reset it once you had your tires serviced. So if you're doing like tire rotations or something, this will help you keep track of that, and you can just manually reset it from here. Okay, and there you go, you got all of that. Here's some more stuff. They have this little dot here, so in the rear they added stuff. So here you can see they have the brightness and things you can change here. You can sync it to this main screen. Alright, here's the one I wanted to try, add new headphones. So we're going to do this. You can see Bluetooth settings. Before we add your device, be sure it's turned on and discoverable. Your Tesla will be paired as Cybertruck. It's been. So I have this Bluetooth speaker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put this in pairing mode. All right. Am I pushing the right button? Oops, I pushed the wrong button.
Connected to
nope, stop. Okay, we gotta go into pairing mode. You see it's blinking? Okay, so let's see. Start search. Let's see if it finds the speaker. Is it in pairing mode? I'm gonna push it and hold it until it turns. Oh, there you go. So there you go. Both sound like flex. Sorry.
Connected to Tesla.
And it connected. So there we go. You can see the volume here. You can set the separate volume separately. Sorry, I know this thing kind of gets in the way, but there's nothing up there right now. Okay, so clean that. All right, we're gonna close this. What else? You got screen cleaning mode. Okay, so that's cool. I didn't know you could actually look at the small screen from here. They have the option. So here they have this. You can do that. And you can see all of that. There's the settings. You can see it's connected. My question is, can you do that while the car's in drive? Right now the car's charging, so I'll do that in a bit. But I'm wondering if you're in drive, if you can access this small screen. I have a feeling you won't be able to, but you can see. All right, I don't know what to play on here. What can I play that's not copyrighted? Oh, maybe royalty free. I was searching like license free. Okay, so royalty free music. I'm just gonna play something just to see what it sounds like. All right, if it comes through here, just play some random one, and it works. It comes through here. And can I control the volume from there? No. So I can't control the volume from there, but I should be able to control it from the speaker. Yes, I can. Okay, so that's enough of that. Okay, so you can control the audio through the speaker, and I'm pretty sure, so here you can see audio source, front, you can choose front, rear. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so here I can control the volume here or on the mini screen, obviously. All right, what else do we got? So we looked at that. Let's go in here. So we got arcade stuff that's new. What's new in here? So it looks like the games, you can actually uninstall them. I don't know if after you uninstall how you would reinstall it, but see that? They have an uninstall option there. Okay, we got the vampire game, Polytopia, Mahjong, Sudoku, Skyforce, Solitaire, Cat Quest, Fallout Shelter, Stardew Valley, Backgammon, Cuphead, chess, and 2024. So I don't know what the blue dot is. I don't know if there's anything new. I think it said like they added this. I mean, I think it was already there before. I don't know. It's kind of weird. They don't have the driving game on here, and I think that's because the steer-by-wire, if they unlink the steering wheel from the tires, I think then, like, let's say you had your tires pointing this way, but you play the game and you turn the steering wheel this way. When you go to start to drive again, it'll have to, like, make your steering wheel turn back to link with the tires, or the tires will have to quickly turn back to face the same way as your steering wheel. And I think that's probably the issue that they're having with linking it up. I feel the best way would be for the steering wheel to like go back. Like it would probably have to give you some time and say, please wait while the steering wheel turns itself back, something like that. I don't know how they'll do it, but hopefully someday they'll be able to figure that out. And then I guess also the steering input would be weird because you only can turn this 180 degrees, so it's not like on the other cars where you can turn it like around in several circles. Anyways, we also have the toy box is what's new in here. Is there anything new in here? Boombox. This, I think this is all the same stuff. They don't put any blue dot in here to tell me like what's new. So I don't know if anything is new in here. Light show. We have the same music here. So I don't know. It's showing something is new here, but it doesn't say what. Oh, here, lock sound. So the lock sound is new. I mean, I don't know why it's saying new. I've had that. Like you close the door and then it can make whatever sound. So it's saying that's new. I don't see anything else that says, oh, I don't want to start that up. No, please stop. Okay, I don't want to start the fireplace mode. And I think that's it. I don't see anything here saying that something is new, but I already tapped all of them, so that's probably, yeah, it's probably not gonna say anything now, if it did before. Also, this lets you use, oh, I think that's what's new, is they let you use Bluetooth controllers. So right now I don't have any, but I guess I'll try and get some Bluetooth controllers later. I don't know, I mean, I have some that I use with the Nintendo Switch, but I'm not sure if it uses the right Bluetooth protocol. It said it has to use the original or classic Bluetooth or something. Here you can see. Yeah, Bluetooth classic. Right, anyways, I'm curious to see the thing about putting it in drive, so let me disconnect the charger real quick. I'm going to put it in drive, and then we're going to see if we can go into the car menu here, and then display, and then, where'd that thing go? How did I look at the rear? How did I look at the rear display earlier? Let me figure it out real quick. I'll be back. Oh wait, just kidding. I think it was the 3 dots down here, and then you have this rear one. So let me see if I can activate that in drive, because one thing that kind of annoys me is while you're driving, if you need to change the thing for the passengers in the back, you have to put the car into park before you can like join them on the video and then do it. So let me see. I'm gonna unplug it, put it in drive, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so the car's in drive. I can move it. I still have access, and no, you can't. Rear display is playing video. Front display video is only available when parked. So exit rear theater, and I guess it probably closes it for them. So yeah, I guess the only way you can do it is you basically have to park the vehicle, then you can go in, and then you can mess around with that. So that's a little annoying, but at least that's an option. All right, there you go. See you guys later. Oh yeah, one other thing I forgot to show. So the wiper now, when you press that, you have the auto option. So now I set the wiper to auto. We'll see how it responds. I don't know. We're not going to get any rain for a while, probably. But yeah, that's it. See you guys later.